Hi hello, welcome back with Mr. Cars. The most popular small SUV crossover offers loads of luxury and class-leading space for passengers and cargo. Honda's unique Magic seats are a testimony to the very best in ingenious design. The back seats don't merely fold down, they can flip up as well, resulting in 18 possible configurations for transporting almost anything. HR-V has 5-star NCAP safety on all 2WD models, and a 5-year Honda warranty across the range. The 2021 Honda HR-V is offered in 4 trims: LX, Sport, EX and EXL. All trim levels have the availability of all-wheel drive, and are powered by a 1.8-liter 4-cylinder engine, 141 horsepower, 127 lb-ft of torque, mated to a continuously variable automatic transmission. Thanks for watching and see you on the next video.